opportunities never come. Opportunities never come. Yes, guys, you heard it right that opportunities never come in life. You have to create them. So, guys, today I have come in my own village area, and today I would like to convey something important talks with you all. And guys, I am not gonna share such kind of information which just like anything else, but I'm going to talk about real life. So guys, in real life we have to maintain each and everything, like might be you have some family pressure or your career related problem, but I would like to share something very crucial thing about all these mm, problems, whatever you can say problem. Or on the other hand, if we see these problems, then this is opportunity as well for us, for all of us, because without having no problem, guys, in life, that is a big problem. Today I have come, and now you can see here the sand mound has been accumulated here, and I'm just climbing uh, on this sand mound. And definitely with this I'm gonna share about real life things. And now you can see, guys, I have not only I have, but also so many people have a lot of problems in their lives, but many fails. Don't just because their problems are big, but sometimes we are too small. So we should be too stronger in life for moving ahead. And now I have come at the top of this like a small hilly area, and here it's a mango tree. And definitely we know that the scientific name of mango tree is Mangifera indica. And without any further delay, let's come again on our topic. And before moving on the topic, as you can see, guys, the weather is so cloudy, and it's very evening time. So I would like to very captivating evening to you all, guys. And now sunset is gonna happen. And definitely in many people thinks that success is just a what we can say that we can achieve in a overnight. But reality, in real success needs a lot of things and a lot of sacrifices. Then after we get success, guys, in life. And to succeed in life, definitely we have to be so much like dedicated and be passionate in life. And in the if we see problem as a problem, then it is big, like a big problem. But when we see like as opportunities, then it definitely gonna like solve all these problems step by step. We can't solve anything in a single, we can say that, very few time, but it takes time. And enjoy the process, and definitely we will able to solve any kind of problems. And when it comes to real life, so although nowadays a lot of people see the success in the real, and like they are very thinking, and they don't think about the behind the scene what happens, they how many times they gonna like very sad. And then after they only show people just like highlight life of their. But we should also know reality. In real, definitely everyone have to do a lot of hard work, and then after they get success. But almost, guys, in life, I would like to say that after every darkness there is definitely come some brightness. So if you in your life now it's going so lost, so don't be afraid. One day will come, and the thing will be changed, and definitely you will say that what was going with me just because of this. So at that day you will remember my words, and definitely you will say that yes, it's nothing like as we think, like problems. But if we solve it like a step by step, and what for next we have to do, then definitely it's gonna be solved in very easy way. So guys, thank you so much, and hope so we will meet you again in someone other videos, and thank you so much.